In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find store hours in Target 2026 step by step. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to look for so you can confirm a store's opening and closing times in just a minute or two. You can follow along on a computer or a phone. The layout is similar either way. Start by opening your web browser and going to target.com. Give the homepage a moment to load. If your browser asks to use your location, allowing it can speed things up, but it's completely optional. Once you're on the homepage, look to the top right corner of the screen. That's where Target keeps quick links for account, cart, and most importantly for us, the store locator. Click Find Stores. On mobile, this may appear in the main menu or as a location pin icon, but it serves the same purpose. You'll land on the store locator page. From here, you have a few easy ways to find the location you want. If you're not sure which store you need and prefer to browse, click View Store Directory to see a full list of Target locations. This is handy if you're planning a trip and want to scan by state or city. If you already know the area you're looking for, use the search bar labeled Enter Zip or City, State. Type the zip code or the city and state, then press Enter. You'll see nearby stores populate in a list and on a map, so you can quickly pick the one closest to you. You can also narrow your results by clicking Filter by Service. This is useful if you need something specific like drive up, order pickup, or a pharmacy inside the store. Applying a filter ensures you're looking only at locations that offer what you need. If you prefer to visually explore, you can simply browse the map or scroll the list until you spot the exact store you're after. When you find it, click Store Info. This opens the store's dedicated page. On the store page, you'll see the hours prominently displayed, including today's hours and the weekly schedule. Many locations also list hours for particular services separately, so double check those if you're planning a pickup or pharmacy visit. Keep in mind that hours can change during holidays or special events, so it's a good idea to confirm the hours here right before you head out. That's all there is to it. Go to target.com, click Find Stores, use the directory, search bar, or filters to locate your store, then open Store Info to view the hours. Now you can plan your trip with confidence.